I have a YouTube channel, a Marcos Education channel. In my channel, I interviewed before so different people, immigration lawyer, criminal lawyer. Today, I'm very pleased to meet the best injury lawyer I know in Calgary, Mr. Steve. Mr. Steve, how are you today?
Good. I'm doing well. How are you doing, sir?
I'm fine. I know you since 2007, and whenever I have injury cases, I am very happy to refer them to you because I trust you, and I know you are very successful in dealing with the injury issue and with motor vehicle accident. So, according to you, or generally, when people involved in a motor vehicle collision, what should they do? What steps should they take?
Well, I mean, in my 20 years of litigating personal injury cases, primarily dealing with motor vehicle accidents, if someone's unfortunately involved in a car accident, they're injured. First of all, they should call 911 right away from the scene of the accident. Secondly, you should probably get information of the person that hit you, get their driver's license number, exchange insurance information with them. Most people do carry a phone now, an iPhone or Samsung Galaxy that has the ability to take photos. If you can, take photos of the damage to your vehicle. Take photos of the vehicle that hit you and of the accident scene. When the police show up, make sure you give a statement to the police. Make sure you get a copy of that statement you gave to the police. And recently what I found in the last year or two is the Calgary Police Service will not issue a police report right away, but make sure you get the Calgary case file number, because now a lot of these reports are posted online. So later you can use that Calgary Police case file number to go on the Calgary Police website and get a copy of the police report.
And also, as I see, sometimes some people, they have only one-way insurance. So do you think that is helpful? Do you think that is a good idea?
No, I mean, my opinion, and during my whole life, I've always had collision coverage. I think it's a good investment for a person to have full coverage on their vehicle, because if your car is damaged, it saves you the headaches of trying to contact the other insurance company to get their adjuster out to look at your vehicle and deal with your property damage claim. If you have full coverage, which is it's not very much a month extra to get, you can just contact your insurance company. They'll send an adjuster out right away. They'll tell you where to take your car to get fixed. Obviously, less headaches you have if you're involved in an accident is better. If you're injured in the accident, you should focus on your health first, and it's easier if you have full coverage on your car, so you can deal directly with your insurance company. They can get the car repaired, and then you can get back on the road.
When clients come to your office after the injury or after the motor vehicle collision, what is the main thing you need from them in order to represent them and to represent them and to take their file?
Well, I mean, there's many things that we need from an initial client that comes to our office for an interview. First of all, make sure you bring a copy of the police report. Like I said earlier on, sometimes the Calgary Police won't issue a Calgary Police report right away. But if you don't have it, make sure you have the Calgary case file number and a copy of your statement you gave to the police. If you bring that Calgary case file number, one of my assistants can go online to the Calgary Police Service website, put in the case file number, the client's name, the date of birth, and their Alberta driver's license, and we can usually get the police report right away and print that off. Secondly, make sure you bring your driver's license, so we have it for identification purposes for our file. And if there's any medical information you have, say after the accident you saw your family doctor, or you went to a hospital emergency and they checked you out, make sure you bring us copies of any medical information so we know what the initial diagnosis is regarding your injuries from the accident.
And then how injury law works? Do you ask them retainer or it is a contingency fee?
Well, the good thing about our business is we work on something called a contingency fee basis, which means we wait to the end to get paid. So it doesn't cost you anything up front to retain myself to litigate your case. What we do is we charge a flat 30% contingency rate, which is payable at the end. So say that you came to me, Marcos, and you're injured in an accident, and we settle your claim for $100,000. My fee would be 30% of that. There are costs that our office incurs to litigate your case, because if you're the plaintiff, you have to show to the other insurance company in the court that you're injured. We have to have medical information to back that up. We need a copy of the police report. All those disbursements my office pays for. We finance those disbursements. We don't charge any interest. I know some lawyers now in Calgary will charge interest on disbursements, but my theory is you're the party who's injured. The cost should be least as possible for the injured party to recover a fair settlement, and at the end, when we settle the claim, the other insurance company will reimburse our office the disbursements we've incurred to litigate your case on top of the settlement.
How long it takes to finalize, to settle some of these injury cases? Some people think it will be completed within a few months.
No, I mean, the most important thing is that people need to focus on their health, okay? I mean, the most important thing in your life is health. If you don't have, good health, then it doesn't matter how much money you have in life. So, I mean, people need to be patient. They have to go see their doctor. They have to go for physio, chiropractor, whatever treatment's recommended to them. See if they can get back to work. They have to be patient on these cases. They could take a year or two. And in my theory of running these cases, we want to make sure our client is fully recovered or their best they are regarding their injuries according to the doctor's diagnosis, and then we would move the case to settlement.
Today I'm very pleased to meet you. I know you are busy, but today I came to your office and we make this video, and then I'm very happy to introduce you to my community and my clients about you, so that they know you when they have some kind of unfortunate accident or motor vehicle collision.
Well, yeah, thank you. It's good seeing you today. And if you have, any people in your community that are injured in an accident, they want to reach out to me for any questions. We're here all the time, so feel free to have people in your community or any people to contact my office about an injury case. Okay.
So one more time today, I'm very pleased to interview the injury lawyer, most well-known injury lawyer, Mr. Steve. So his contact information will be provided in this video. Thank you, and have a good day.
Thank you.